YouTube friends, it's Lee here. We're up to day 15 of DEPHEMEREMBER, which is Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas everybody. The prompt for today is double tag a mechanical garden. I'm going to tick that off so I don't forget. Now, DEPHEMEREMBER, your ephemera inspiration in December. It's an open challenge hosted by Louisa Heinzel and Barbara from 49 Dragonflies. There is a link in my channel so you can go to their community pages and you can download freebies that they're giving to everybody, and as well as the prompt list. So everything you need to know is there, and you don't have to do this challenge in December. I was nearly going to say Defember. So yeah, you can do it whenever you like at your own pace. So double tag and mechanical garden. Okay, so this one threw up a couple of challenges for me, and I was a little bit inspired by my clown bookmark that I made with his spinning balls here, but the way he's held onto the page is with a magnet. And what happened when I made this is I inadvertently created a spinning flower as well. So that might make a little bit of an appearance, a couple of these flowers in my creation today, I'm not sure. So I'll just pop my little mate over here, keep an eye on things for me. So I dug around in desperation looking for some sort of inspiration of my own, and I found a book that I've had for years. It's one of the first ones I ever bought when I started doing junk journaling. And this is just got illustrations through it, so there's no coloured pictures, but I really love the paper, and I also love the illustrations in this book. And what I had done previously at some point in time was to glue some of these pages together to make like fairly stiff card. So I have this one which is perfect for a tag, and then these other ones are more horizontal rather than vertical. That one's a horizontal, but I also had a scrounge around in the book today and I found a couple that I think I'll use to make tags today. I love the illustrations. It's it reminds me of, like, it makes me think of an old, you know, like early 20th century university or something, you know, like the, yeah, not that I'd know what that looked like, but yeah, that's what it reminds me of. Okay, so I've got this one I'm going to make a tag out of, and this one I'm going to make a tag out of, so it's got to be a double tag. It's a mechanical garden, so I'm going to hinge my tags together, and I did think about actually using hinges to hinge them, metal hinges. I don't know about that idea. I'll see when I get the tags made. If not, it'll be a paper hinge, so I'm going to make my tags to start with. There's a little bit of noise going on around the place at the moment, so I probably won't be saying too much. You may have to listen to some music. You can always turn the volume down if you don't like it. But the first thing I'm going to do is glue another page together to make my second tag. Nice, generous coat of glue there. Okay, and now I'm going to work out the size of my tags. I thought about not making them the same height, but now I think I'll make them exactly the same size. Right, so I've decided this tag's going to be a little bit wider than the one on the top, and I was going to hinge from the left, but because I'm going to be using a page that's on the right of my book, I'm going to hinge on the right, and I've just had the thought that maybe I should put another plant on here. So I've got a couple of tall ones, I'll use one of them, so I do like that. Okay, so that's my two tags, so they're going to open even like that, or with that one on the inside. I just got to make up my mind which way I'm going to do it, and whether I'm going to use these mechanical, or metal I should say, hinges. Okay, so they're a definite possibility. So what I want to do is ink and stitch around these, and I want to make a pocket for them to sit in. So I've done the stitching, and across the bottom, like I just went around with the plain stitch, and I did this stitch right across the bottom because it reminded me of grass. So now I'm going to attach my hinges, and I think because I have these hinges and they don't get used for anything, that I will actually use them. Okay, so I'm going to put that aside and just let that really set up nicely. So what I have here is a flower that I cut out of a gel print, and because it was a bit dull, I've just gone over it with some of these Stabilo woodies, and I'm going to do the same with these ones here, brighten them up. So these ones are like, because they're on a heavier paper, they'll be able to handle having the magnet on the back of them to enable them to spin. So what I need is something to go behind them to cover the magnet up, and then something for the magnet to go on behind the other magnet. You need two magnets. The magnet's got to stick to something. So I've got circles, so they'll be good for the back. Okay, so I'll see what I can come up with these ones. Just need to glue a magnet onto the back of each one of these and then put a cover over it. So now these ones need to have a magnet on them. Put it on the back side. I don't feel like putting another layer over the top of them, because then the paper gets thick, because it's got to hold on through this. So let's just try these out. If I ever get sick of them being on this page, I can relocate them and use them as, you know, like a bookmark. It's going to catch on each other, but that's alright. Okay, so happy with that. Pocket. That would make a nice pocket. Cut it down, of course. I might have to just use two of these. Anyway, I'm just going to stick that one up the top. Out of the way for the time being. I'm going to go and do that stitching. This was just on my desk, so I think I'm just going to pop it on there. I'm just going to go around that with pencil. She's got a nice little flower arrangement in her hair, so she can go on there. Been stuck on something else by the look of it, but probably only with glue stick, which doesn't last very long. She can go there. I'm really liking those flowers. So they interfere with each other, but that could be a good thing. I'm probably going to have to take one of them off, I'd say. I suppose I could always put it down here, but then it's going to be interfering with what goes into the... So they open that way. Maybe this could be where that goes. Oh. So that could go on there. That will go in here. Now I'm going to have to be careful putting that in and out, otherwise it's going to rip up the edge of the drawer. Said it again. Pocket. Okay, so maybe I can just use a couple of these things I've got lying around here, such as my labels. They go without saying. So I've got some that sort of look like handwriting. Put that one on there. And then I've got this. Could go around the corner. It'd be more interesting if it went around that corner. And I'm just going to stick this little girl on here as she's on my desk. Maybe with that behind her. Don't want to cover up too much of the flower. What other things have I got? Like that. Ah, she looks cute. Give her something to stand on. And she's not floating in midair. Let's add a little bit more yellow onto this. Should her dress have a little bit of yellow on it? Maybe just a couple of little patches. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, so that's there, that's there. Do I want another label? Don't think I do actually. And on this page it's pretty plain, so this is where I'll be putting some of these. This is just a HB pencil, and actually it's 2B. 2B or not to be pencil. Okay, now I want to put a hole in there. Maybe a little bit of stamping. Just going to tie a little bit of string on each one. Okay, so there's my double tag, mechanically hinged, and here's my mechanical garden with my spinning flowers, my spare flower. Where can I put you? I could stitch you there for the time being. You can go on there. No splashes this time. Okay, so I've got my flowers, which have been drawn on a gel print, and I've just brightened them up a little bit. They've got a magnet attached to the back and a magnet behind here to keep them wherever I desire to position them for the time being. They're going on this page, so they spin, so they're my mechanical garden. They can go there. I've got this third one, which is a bit of overkill, I guess. They stop each other from moving, but anyway, that one can go on there. What it looks like on the other side is that. I guess it's not too bad, is it? Okay, so here's my double tag. It's got the metal hinges on there. Made from book page. And that can go in here carefully. And I could also put one of these flowers, just sit it on that tag. Okay, close the book. That's the big question. Does it close? Yes, it does. I love the way they stick out of the book. I'm really happy about that. And of course, they can be put anywhere. Anywhere I like. Because they're repositionable. Let me know in the comments what you think. I had a lot of fun making this. And I was really stumped for what to do for a while. And I had to look at the definition of the word mechanical to give me some inspiration, so to speak. Alright, hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, share the video with your friends and family, and thumbs up, and all that good stuff. And we'll see you for the next one, which is the 26th of December, and it's a collaged postcard and curiosity shop. So that sounds interesting. Okay, enjoy Christmas Day, everybody. Bless you all, and stay safe and happy, and enjoy your time with your family and friends if that's what you're doing. And just enjoy yourself. And my best wishes go out to you, and I hope to see you again soon. And I'll be enjoying a barbecue breakfast and then ham and salad for lunch, and will probably be a few swims in between because it's going to be a hot day. And yeah, just relax. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooray.